Good morning guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very interesting to show you all. These are ultra low latency TWS made specially for gaming and come with some pretty awesome features that at a very affordable price tag of only around 1199 rupees guys. They're made by TAGG and are called as the Liberty Buds Pro, and today in this video we'll be unboxing it and checking it out. So let me quickly show you an overview on the box packaging. As I've told you, these are ENC truly wireless earphones that has some pretty nice features like it's got instant wake pairing, type C fast charging is also there, and has like three different modes on it guys. There's a gaming mode, bass mode, and balanced mode on it. Comes with quad microphones on it with background noise cancellation, and they're also IP55 water and dust resistant as well. So those were some of its main highlights, and as you can see, these TWS are actually designed in India, so that is also one plus point. Without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. And by the way, the video is sponsored by the brand, so a big thank you to them. Anyways, on the inside guys, this is how the packaging looks like. We've got a picture of Rohit Sharma to the left, and to the right guys, the TWS that we've been waiting for. TAGG's all new Liberty Buds Pro. They're available in two different colors, white and black. We have the white color edition. My god, these are actually quite compact, very portable guys, quite lightweight also, and look really lovely. We'll just come back to these TWS in a moment. First, let me just keep them aside and show you all the accessories we got in the box. So in this tiny box, you get some extra pair of ear tips in different sizes, and you get a Type-C cable for charging the TWS case, and lastly, you have some paperwork over here. Just make sure to read this for all the info. And that's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally have a closer look at the product and talk about the design and the build quality. So TAGG's Liberty Buds Pro come in this sort of case guys, pure white case in a matte finishing. You've got the TAGG branding and a tiny status LED indicator to the front, and I like the build quality guys, very nice build quality, entirely made of polycarbonate in a matte white finish. Good thing is it doesn't attract fingerprints also. There's nothing on it except a Type-C port on the bottom for charging, and there you go. As soon as you open it, we've got the TWS on the inside. Let me just take it out and show you. Oh boy, very nice design, beautiful looking. So guys, let me just keep the case aside and show you how the TWS looks like. And let me tell you, these earbuds are very lightweight in hand. Complete white finish guys, same matte finishing just like the case, and look quite appealing from our first impressions. And by the way, they kind of look very similar to Apple's Earbuds Pro, right? I mean the whole ear tip design and all that stuff. Anyways guys, over here you've got the touch sensor, and using it you can access all the different modes available on it, which I've mentioned at the beginning. And overall quality does look pretty good. Love the build quality. Quality of the ear tips is also nice, feels soft and durable, and looks like there's nothing written on it guys. Clean, decent finishing. And on the bottom over here you've got some charging contacts along with the mic, and there's also a secondary microphone at the backside guys, and it also supports background noise cancellation. And not to forget, these are also IP55 water and dust resistant as well. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set them up and then put them on and talk about the comfort and the sound. The Liberty Buds Pro are super lightweight and feel quite comfortable while wearing. The fit is nice and noise isolation is also decent. And talking about the sound, these TWS pack 10mm drivers on board, and the audio quality was actually pretty good for the price point. Mids felt crisp and clear. I could easily understand all the dialogues either in movies or even games. Treble quality was also fine, and the bass was also good and punchy. I've told you right, it's got like three different EQ modes on board: balanced, BassX mode, and ultra low latency for gaming. Balanced mode was great for music, very pleasing, right amount of bass and treble, and you'll surely enjoy music over here. In the BassX mode, the low frequencies were slightly boosted, so you'll get like more punchy bass. So bass heads are definitely gonna like this one. And finally, coming over to the game mode, this mode was designed to offer you like ultra low latency in audio, so you won't face any sort of lag while gaming. And I've been using it since the past few days while playing BGMI on my phone, and was quite impressed with the results. There was no sort of lag or any noticeable delay in the audio. Sounds like gunfiring, bomb blastings, everything was spot on and happening in real time. Liberty Buds Pro were doing a great job for this price point. Good gaming performance. The overall audio output was also loud and satisfying. Now coming over to the battery life was also decently good. On an average at 75% volume level, I was easily getting around like 5 hours of battery life. And not to forget, the case can also charge your earbuds up to 5 times, so you can easily expect around 25 to 26 hours of total music playtime. Well, that's it guys, our video on TAGG's new affordable gaming TWS, the Liberty Buds Pro. Lightweight, comfortable for long time usage, great sound and ultra low latency mode which makes it ideal for gaming on a budget. They cost only around 1199 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.